You dirty, dirty scumbag. You're out there running around, just hitting cars willy-nilly and running away. This is uncalled for. I leave my car downtown for one night. One night? There it is, boys. Get out of the shot, dog. There it is. Pretty good little crack here. Nothing too crazy, just completely tore apart this corner piece. But it looks like a pretty easy fix. Probably all comes apart pretty easily, so probably pretty cheap to get that replaced. Shout out Relevant Coffee, keeping me alive this morning. Hey man, if you're the person that hit my car and you're watching this, I forgive you. All love, man. But also, fuck you. I will find you, and I'm gonna get you with a good, clean roundhouse to the chin.